outside, perfectly medium on the inside. Alright guys, let's get started on this tri-tip that I'm gonna cook on my Traeger Grill. First thing I need to do is to season it. So I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of the Traeger beef rub. And some of one of my favorite rubs, it's the Salt Lick dry rub. Now the Salt Lick rub has a little heat to it, so I do a mix so that it's not too spicy for my kids, but it's tasty. Okay, now my Traeger has already preheated to 425. I have a cast iron pan in there. We are gonna start the tri-tip on that, and then we're gonna get it moved over. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, start this off. I'm gonna get my tri-tip in this cast iron. Okay, so I have my tri-tip sitting on some cast iron in there, and it's gonna sear on one side for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna flip it over for another 5 minutes. Look at that. Okay, our tri-tip finished resting, so let's cut into it and see how we did. So this is what we were after. Look at this. The whole thing cooked at the same temp all the way through. It's good. I have my little taste tester here. I'll see what he thinks.
Seasoning.
Oh, do you want more? More seasoning? He likes the Traeger rub. A little more? There you go. That's not enough?
Yeah.
Here, there you go. What do you think? It's good?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right, we'll see you guys later.